window. What? Oh, window security. Yeah. This one. This one. Manage random. Okay, the is off, so it's gonna be okay. Wait. Here. Make sure to allow. And here. Allow an app.
Firewall.
Change setting.
So your submission is next week.
Browse.
Your submission is week after that.
And then okay, and then we can go here. Install.
Because I don't want you to pile out into the assignment lagi lah. Okay? Alright.
Seperti sini. Next. Isin app data, so it's okay. Install. And then it install. When you click on this thing, you open this, it's gonna show this. It's gonna pop up. Oh, there's a dangerous files. So just allow it. Installation, yes. So it's not gonna delete itself. So you're gonna be safe. So while we wait, just ada. There's no pop-up. Alright. Okay, finish. Don't run. Never run this thing. Close. And then copy this file. Copy. And then go here. Oh, there's no like KeyShot. When you type KeyShot and open file location, it's gonna open here, but this is not the actual files. Open again, and this is the actual files. So you gotta Control V, paste it, and replace. Okay, after you replace, you're not done yet. You open the keygen. It's not okay. So you open this one, allow it.
Allahu Akbar.
Allow installation. Okay, done. Okay, now you press it again, it appear. So now save it at document. Don't save it here. Wait, what is this? Document. Save. Save successfully. Done. And now go to KeyShot, and run it. Okay, so it's gonna be open. Okay, so active right here. Click active. Then choose the third option, which is LIC. Next, browse the document. Open, and then finish. Then it's gonna open. Done. Finish. If there is a pop-up, like okay, this one, allow. If there is like a pop-up like this, cancel it, and then you good to go.
Thank you.